We are the biggest polluters as an industry on this planet.
So the full-scale 116, the 16th version, what we are doing, we wanted to continue our exploration with textile. So the textile exploration at the School of Architecture is happening right from the beginning, at the foundation level, right from we've started the school. So why we've been doing specifically textile waste is to address the issue that it's the second largest waste producer after the building industry.
Given this opportunity and was invited by CMR, by Professor Muralidhar Reddy here to conduct this workshop, to facilitate this workshop, which is a very interesting concept, I think, and kudos to CMR for introducing something like this, which is 1:1 full scale, which is a brilliant concept, I think, because as an academician myself, I feel that, what we learn on our drawing boards, what students do in their classrooms, it's very important for them to understand how it goes and feels in the real life. So I think that's why it is a great concept. The construction industry is also one of the largest waste producers, as well as the textile industry, which we know it is the second largest after the petroleum industry, really. So this is how close we are, and the fast fashion, and it's growing everywhere. Housing also, we know that, it's not just about creating places to stay. People are just building because, there is land and there is a lot of money in that. But so the whole concept of sustainability, as in to use something which has been thrown away, also for me, I'm very close, how I connect with textiles is very, very close because I work with textiles. But to use all these old sarees, which are literally thrown away, but it's a very age-old technique. Like some of the students here spoke about how their grandmothers used to make doormats or some household stuff from the textiles, used textiles, to bring it back in this new way, and the scale of it, and to create installations for a place which is deeply embedded in sustainability, the concept of sustainability, academics. I think if it's installed here, the more you see it, probably the more the students here will also be able to imbibe that concept.
Vision for School of Architecture, we basically very strongly put forth integrating sustainability to our curriculum in every exercise or course that we do at CMR, and nothing great than this, because as the expert also, our expert has rightly mentioned that this is the second most waste that we generate in India than after construction waste.
I see, being both from the architecture and industrial discipline background, I can now very clearly tell at the bachelor's level why is it very crucial to get into a program like architecture, because they deal with micro things to macro level things of a city and beyond. That is something I would really look forward to when youngsters would want to be creative, be systems thinkers, be risk takers, and the school, it's something which very clearly pushes out that they have to be failure positive.
To the next week, we were all standing here with, again, a lot of sarees that all of our mothers kind of neglected. All these fabric kind of came in as a pile, and all of us were kind of, again, questioning, okay, how do we now go about this?